Hi everyone, welcome back. So today I'm going to show you how I created this look using brown, orange, and a little bit of yellow. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, and let me know what other look you would like to see or if you tried this look. And don't forget also to turn on your notifications. So stay tuned to see this look.
Okay, let's get started. So I'm using the eye shading brush from Dual Color, and I'm using the shade Marvelous. Now this palette here holds up to 25 single eyeshadows that you can grab from cosmeticsbybayette.com. So we want to start by packing the color Marvelous onto the eyelid until we fill the eyelid with the beautiful brown. It's a medium shade, very, very pretty. Okay, so now we're going to mix Lively and Gingerly, and we're going to be using the tapered blending brush from Dual Color. So you're just going to mix both of those and tap the excess off and just start blending that with your Marvelous, which is the medium brown color, until you get that very nicely blended into your crease. Next, we're going to use palette 7, and we're going to use the color Theatrical. Now this is a really nice lighter shade of an orange, and it gives it a really nice pop to the eyeshadow look. Okay, once we've blended that in a bit, we're going to go back to the color Marvelous and make sure that our eyelid is well packed with that beautiful color. Okay, so we're going to go back to palette 7. We are going to use the shade Clubby using the pointed blending brush from Dual Color. And what you want to do is grab a little, tap the excess, and apply in your inner corner of your eye. Okay, now for our lashes, we're going to start with the Mood Trick Epic Lash Primer. This is the first coat. Okay, so next I'm going to apply my Epic 4D One Step Fiber Mascara. It is amazing. If you haven't tried it, don't forget you can grab one from cosmeticsbybayette.com. And I'm going to apply my first coat. Once I do the first coat, then I will apply the second coat after I put my eyeliner on. Okay, next I'm going to apply a honey color eyeliner on my waterline. This really helps to give your eye a pop and also to make it look bigger. Eyeliner time. Okay, so I'm applying a brown liquid eyeliner. You can add a liquid eyeliner just like I am, or if you like pencil, or you can definitely not add any at all depending on what you're wanting to achieve with your look. Okay, so now we're going to apply the second coat of mascara. I always take off the extra mascara that's on the wand. It just helps me really get into my lashes and get the length and the volume that I want. Now to finalize our look, I'm going to use the shade Stellar in the Splash line. These lipsticks are amazing. Now they're very moussey, yet they are matte, but they don't leave your lips drying at all. I just love to wear them. There's so many shades you can choose from. Again, if you like any of the products that you see that I'm wearing, you can always grab them from Cosmetics by Bea. I hope you enjoyed this video, you guys, and I will see you on the next. Bye!